Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the detergent dispenser in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers, a pair of side cutters, and a couple of plastic zip ties. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new detergent dispenser. The detergent dispenser is installed on a dishwasher's inner door. It operates by the main control board and dispenses the detergent and the rinse agent on command. The main reason why the detergent dispenser would need to be replaced is if it breaks and the dispenser door won't open automatically or won't get closed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. We need to remove quite a few Phillips screws on both sides of the door. I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to arm myself with a Phillips screwdriver and lots of patience. And close the door partially and slide the outer door off. So we're going to pull the insulation out. Right now we can remove the rest of the screws so we can take out the control panel. The control panel now will come off. Alright, so the control panel could be put down on the floor. And we can work on the dispenser assembly. Now we need to cut off a couple of zip ties. I'm going to use side cutters. And the one here at the bottom. Careful, don't cut wires. Then I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to remove these two wires from the wax motor. Let it hang down there. There's a 6 Phillips screws. We're going to take out 3 bottom first. And the bottom bracket comes off. And now we can take off the top 3 screws. And the top bracket comes off. I'm going to hold on to the detergent dispenser with one hand and open the door. Careful, the control panel. And now we can remove this, the old part. This is the old detergent dispenser next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm going to open the door. Before installing a new detergent dispenser, make sure that the seat is clean. I used the sponge and the soap, and now we don't have any residues. So I'm going to place a new dispenser into the cutout. And we're going to hold on to it. Then we're going to grab it from the outside here and lock the door. It's not going to fall in because of the upper dish rack. So secure the control panel, and then we're going to install the brackets. So we're going to install the top bracket, and by the way, they're both identical, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. Pull the detergent dispenser out, hold it, and then we're going to place a screw in. And we're going to install the bottom one. Now we're going to connect the 2 wires to the wax motor. The order is not important. And now we're going to secure the harness with a pair of plastic zip ties. and one here. And we're going to cut out the extras with side cutters. Tight more. Now we can put everything back together. We're going to start with the control panel. Lift up the panel, and then we're going to open the door. Place the panel on. And we're going to secure it with 6 Phillips screws. I'm going to place it in. Start it manually. I'm going to tighten those two. And we can put the 2 in the center. Now I'm going to put the foam insulation on. Right now I'm going to loosen up these last screws about halfway. That will be enough. I'm going to close the door. And next we're going to put the outer door on. I'm going to slide these edges here over that plastic skirt shield. And we need to get the upper edge of the outer door underneath of the control panel. Push it up with my foot here. And I'm going to open the door. Still apply the pressure on the door. And I need to match the holes and put the screws in. And we have left 6 smaller size Phillips screws for the outer door. And 1 on each side, 1 on the top. And the rest of the screws. So I'm going to close the door and check how this outer door fits under the control panel. As we can see, it's perfectly fine. Now I'm going to open the door again, and we're going to tighten the 2 screws. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.